Today, I'm going to teach you how to group tabs in folders in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful feature when you're working with spreadsheets that have multiple tabs and you need a better way to organize and manage them all in one place. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to organize. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where all your files are displayed. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet that contains the tabs you want to group. This will open your spreadsheet and give you access to all its features and tabs at the bottom of the screen. Now that your spreadsheet is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Add-ons, then select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace where you can search for additional tools to enhance your spreadsheet functionality. In the search bar, type Sheets Organizer and press Enter. Once you find the Sheets Organizer add-on, click on it to view more details. Then click the Install button to begin the installation process. A confirmation message will pop up asking for permission to access your Google account. Click Continue to proceed with granting the necessary permissions. Next, you'll be prompted to log in again for verification purposes, so go ahead and click Continue. After that, you'll see a list of checkboxes asking for various access permissions that the add-on needs to function properly. Check all the checkboxes to grant full access, then click Continue once more. Now you'll need to wait for the installation to complete. Sometimes this process can take a bit of time, so be patient and don't close the window or refresh the page while it's installing. Let it finish completely before moving on to the next step. Once the installation is done, close the installation window. Now go back to the top menu and click on Extensions again. From the drop-down, click on Sheets Organizer. You should see an option that says Open right there. Click it to launch the add-on. If you don't see the open option yet, don't worry. Simply refresh your spreadsheet and check again under Extensions and Sheets Organizer. Sometimes it takes a moment for the option to appear after installation. Once you click Open, wait for the Sheets Organizer panel to appear on the right side of your spreadsheet. This panel is where you'll manage all your tab grouping and organization. When the panel appears, you'll see a list of all your tabs. Select the tabs you want to group together by checking the checkbox that appears before each tab name. You can select multiple tabs at once, which makes organizing large spreadsheets much faster. After selecting all the tabs you want to group, click on the Move to Folder button. From the options that appear, click Create New Folder. This will open a dialog box where you can input a name for your new folder. Choose a descriptive name that makes it easy to identify what tabs are inside. After entering the folder name, click Move into New Folder. Now the system will process your request and create the folder with your selected tabs inside. Wait a moment while it completes this action, and that's it. Your tabs are now organized into a folder, making your spreadsheet much easier to navigate and manage. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.